Kajiwoto AI Friend Honest Review Watch Before Using. Most people get this wrong. They think AI chatbots are generic and boring, but Kajiwoto allows you to create a personalized AI friend that can interact, entertain, and even support your emotional well-being. Kajiwoto lets users build AI characters with unique personalities, voices, and conversation styles. One standout feature is its personalization. Your AI can remember details about you, respond contextually, and engage in long-term interactions that feel natural and human-like. Most people assume AI companions are limited to scripted responses. The surprising truth is Kajiwoto uses machine learning to adapt its answers over time, making conversations increasingly relevant and personalized. You can also share your AI characters with others or explore characters created by the community. Another advantage is versatility. Users can use Kajiwoto for fun, creative writing prompts, language practice, or simply chatting when feeling lonely. It provides a safe and controlled environment to experiment with AI companionship. However, there are some considerations. Kajiwoto AI is not a replacement for professional mental health support, and free versions may have feature limits for restricted interactions. Subscriptions unlock advanced customization and additional AI capabilities. In conclusion, Kajiwoto is ideal for anyone curious about AI companionship, creativity, or interactive storytelling. Its personalization, adaptability, and versatility make it a unique experience for users exploring AI-driven interactions. Subscribe for more honest AI and tech reviews before creating your own AI friend.